My name is Brianna Brown. I will be showing and educating you on how to make a toothpaste using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Okay? And the ingredients that I'm going to be using today are baking soda. Baking soda you can get at the grocery store. You know, the baking soda you put in your refrigerator, like to keep everything fresh. Yes. And hydrogen peroxide. You can get on the bath soap aisle, like next to the alcohol and stuff like that. Hydrogen peroxide. And I will be using a toothpaste just to make the paste taste minty and fresh. Okay. Baking soda has been used as an alternative for toothpaste for a very long time. It has a long history of that. Today, many toothpaste manufacturers, they use baking soda as one of their ingredients to make the toothpaste. They incorporate it into their toothpaste formula. Like, I'm pretty sure if you look on the back of a toothpaste tube, you will see that baking soda is incorporated into their formula. Yeah, it'll say, like, let me see, I can show you. Yeah, it says it on, this is the Colgate kind of toothpaste. It says it on the box. It says baking soda and peroxide, showing for hydrogen peroxide, and it says it on the actual toothpaste as well. The other ingredient, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is basically known as a whitening in most cases. As for example, like in the hair care products, they use hydrogen peroxide as a bleaching to make it, a lighter color. And in toothpaste, it is also used as a whitening, of course. And that is why when it mixes with ingredients such as baking soda, those two together just whitens your teeth. Obviously, it changes the color of your enamel on your teeth. The enamel on your teeth is, like the, I don't know how to explain, like the outside of your teeth, like that. And basically, the more hydrogen peroxide that you use, the tougher the whitening power will become in the toothpaste. How does it work? Well, hydrogen peroxide is the bleaching agent in toothpaste, as I said, and it combines with baking soda to polish the teeth surface, the outside of your teeth, and gently remove food stains. Food stains, when I say, I mean, like, when you drink, some may drink coffee. Coffee has an acid in it that stains your teeth, and you have to take, I guess, certain measures to whiten your teeth and building up your teeth's enamel to unstain the coffee, as you say. And sometimes that can be expensive. Like, sometimes I know people, they use the whitening strips. They have Crest whitening strips. Like, different toothpaste companies manufacture whitening strips, right? And if you go to the grocery store, they're very expensive. I mean, at Walmart, they're like $7.99, $8.99, and it's like there are not many in there. It's like a box, and it's a big box with like 5 in there for almost $10. That's expensive for some people, So making this homemade toothpaste with the ingredients that you have laying around in your house, that's the inexpensive way, and that's what I'm going to show you. The effects that this toothpaste, the homemade toothpaste, can have on your teeth is just more sensitivity really. By sensitivity, I mean that if you ever if you have sensitive teeth, sensitive teeth could be like when you drink something, when you're drinking cold beverage like ice water, and you feel the sensation of the ice on your teeth. That's what I mean by sensitive teeth. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to make the toothpaste. Okay, so the ingredients that I have, I showed you when the video started. I'll show you again. I have a container or a bowl. Preferably, I would say use a reusable container because you never know how much you will make. So you can store it in the refrigerator if like you have leftovers, and if you want to use it like on a regular basis, and you don't have to like keep making it every day. Okay, so have this bowl. I have a tablespoon. When making this, you can use a teaspoon. It just varies the amount of ingredients that you would put in. Okay, I have my peroxide and my baking soda. Okay, so first I start with the dry first, and then I incorporate the 2 liquids that I have into the dry bowl. Okay, so I'm going to just get 1 full tablespoon of baking soda. Drop that into the bowl. As I said when I was explaining that you will want to use more hydrogen peroxide than baking soda. Okay. Now, I have the bottle that squirts, so you'll have to squirt it into the spoon. But there is the pourable kind that you just pour it in there, and it comes out. And it's great to measure it because you want to know how much you're putting in. So that's why some people eyeball it, but I stay on the measuring side. So I'm just pouring first tablespoon of peroxide onto my spoon. Now the second full spoon of hydrogen peroxide. And when doing this, you want to eyeball and look at it to see how much you're making, because you don't want it to be gritty. You want it to actually come out as a paste and not gritty or liquidy. So you may have to add different amounts of each one to make sure that it comes out as it's supposed to. Okay. Now this is where the the mouthwash comes in. The mouthwash is optional, but I would recommend it because like it just gives it that toothpastey taste, I would say, because it gives it a minty. Right here I have cool peppermint right here. So I'm just going to open this. Okay. And I'll measure this on my teaspoon as well. I'll do 1 full teaspoon of mouthwash and add in there. Now the mouthwash may take on is going to mix with the other liquid, and it's maybe it's going to be a little more liquidy than I thought. So you may have to add more peroxide more baking soda in as you're mixing, just to make sure that it's not as liquidy. And as I'm mixing now, I see that it is very liquidy right now. So I'm going to see